Well, hi. I didn't see you there.
Fancy meeting you. Oh.
You might know me from such.
I really, really want the cowboy.
Yes. All are good.
I want the cowboy.
Cowboy? What about the soldier? I want the soldier. Canadian?
My three that I would really like would be the cowboy, or is that a band leader or a soldier?
Yeah, soldier.
And then I really like the sombrero guy. All right, I'm gonna buy one.
Oh.
Pick it for me. Pick it for me.
Okay. We're looking for cowboy.
Pick it for me. You're the artist. You did these. Pick it for me.
There you go.
This is it?
Sombrero.
Do people seem to like those toys?
A lot. This is very eye-catching. You're the first one I've sold here, but I'm visiting, so I'm not too specifically sure. Do you want a small bag for it?
No, I'll be good with the way that it is.
For sure.
Thanks, buddy. I appreciate
problem.
it. Have a good day.
You too.
This is what a bad friend I am. This is my first one that I bought.
Is it rattling? Is it rattling?
It feels a little light for cowboy. It actually feels really loose for cowboy or sombrero. If this is the Irish guy, I'm gonna be so mad because I hate my red beard. I hate my Irish roots. Not that I hate Irish people, I just wish I didn't have a red beard.
Oh, geez. You can already tell, probably. Save the box. It's amazing.
What was harder, the box or the characters?
The box.
Always the box. Ooh, I love that hit of fresh plastic.
Fresh vinyl smell. Here we go. Moment of truth. I got the pick.
Are you kidding me?
What do we got?
Are you kidding
Cowboy.
me?
I didn't disappoint. I told you.
I used to own a store and sell blind box characters. I made a lot of money for people not getting the one they want on the first try. We just witnessed Disney magic.
There you go. You got the cowboy. Nice.
Thanks, buddy.
Done.
Oh, it's all working out. Right now, we just saw the clock, people on the boats, the train go by, the music. When Disney stacks up all the elements, that's when the magic really works. And I think what some people are complaining about with Galaxy's Edge is that it's an isolated experience. But I would argue that that isolation enriches that unique experience. All right, I think it's time for us to go get some dinner. But first, Christmas in July Part 2.
When you think if you were given the job, they bring you on as an Imagineer, okay?
Yeah.
And they say, do your thing.
Yeah.
Do your project. The dream project you've been thinking of because you think you want to be an Imagineer. What do? Do you do a ride? Do you do a restaurant, a structure, mixed?
Man, oh man, is that a hard one to think about.
Which part?
So I would love to work in Disneyland proper just because of the legacy.
For sure.
But if they give me a California adventure project, I wouldn't turn my nose up at it because I have a lot of love for that part.
Of course.
But I think what I would be really interested in if I was auditioning for a job here would definitely be Tomorrowland. It just needs the most work.
So you're not Mr. Let's Demolish Tomorrow would take on tomorrow.
Yeah, we demolish it.
Okay. I should have let you finish.
No, I would for sure go in there and like Miley Cyrus would come out like a wrecking ball.
Ew.
Did you know that the voice of Monstro is also the guy who sings the Haunted Mansion song?
What is it? Ravens? What's
Crazy name.
Yeah.
Thurl
Raven
Raven
Scraping
Scraping. Beautiful. And also the voice of Tony the Tiger.
Yes, that I knew.
I mean, of course you knew the cereal. All right, so this is my favorite store in all of Disneyland.
Hi, welcome.
Hello, how are you?
Stay cool, Denny's.
Yeah, you are. You can't have a warm Christmas store.
It's so cute. Mickey Mouse.
Oh, that's cool. I want to show you some fun Christmas shop details.
Very good. Ready?
Yes. First off, it's the Castle Holiday Shoppe that has a skull on its mailbox. Because nothing says Christmas like a skull. And then look at the shutters. Little Christmas trees.
A little bit of the castle coming over.
Yeah. Which that is a secure a safety fence basically for cast members. Your opinion on the new paint job?
Vibrant.
Do you like it?
Parts that I really like and other parts I'm still getting used to.
Do you like the gold?
I do like the gold. I kind of miss that slightly aqua blue.
Have I ever showed you the Peter Pan tree?
No.
Oh, bro! Fantasyland. Favorite land?
Absolutely. No question.
More favorites than Galaxy's Edge? It feels different, right? All right, absolutely love Fantasyland. I want to show you one of my favorite. It's Peter Pan and Wendy's tree. Let's go towards Tomorrowland. I'm not making it up. It's canon.
Now, my friend.
I only give canon fun facts. There you go. Good. You know I could never make anything up. So we're over in the grotto.
Yeah.
I'm going to add in a clip of your poster that you did for it.
Very good,
Your art
very
print. So now we're going to walk up these stairs. And we're going to look at this tree right here. And I want you to read what those initials are.
Okay. Let's see. C and a W. WD. Must be two P's, I'm assuming.
It's P, and then Wendy's initials.
Wendy Gar.
It's their initials. I'll show you.
That's fantastic.
Isn't that great?
I had no idea that was there.
Well, Jerrod, for Wednesday, two grown men in their mid-40s. I think we did a good little ripper around the park.
Yeah.
It's amazing how magical it always feels.
Kind of cooled down now. We're starting. We have a meltdown. Oh, carry me.
Are you going to do the whole fall asleep so I put you in your pajamas and carry you out of the car?
Act like I'm sleeping the whole time.
It does it to me every time we come to the park.
Works every time.
It does. All right, Craftsman's Bar.
Let's try it.
Let's try it out. I've been once before. I don't like to brag. I do like to brag. Oh, look at that castle. I do have to say that leaving is never easy. No, I never enjoy it. Bye, Walt. Thank you. Thank you for your service, Walt. How great is the music on Main Street?
Oh, I play it every day
Do you really?
in my office.
Look at that castle over my shoulder. I love it. She's tiny but mighty. My favorite Disney music move is Beth Will Catch Me around Christmas time, just playing that Christmas loop.
Christmas is great.
It's great because they shy away from religious songs, but keep that traditional, old school.
That jingle bells behind anything. Although the Esplanade music from out in the middle.
Oh, I love Esplanade. Yeah, still can't say that word. I've tried. Disney balloons. Are they still selling your balloons?
Yes.
Nice. Oh, they're like limited edition?
I don't know how it works, but sometimes they're in California Adventure, sometimes they're even in downtown Disney.
Oh wow. I didn't know they sold. I didn't know that they sold Mickey balloons in
I don't know if
downtown.
that's a new thing. But yeah, they were selling it in downtown.
We had a great Christmas in July.
How did I do it? I was going to do it myself.
Yeah.
A little nervous.
It's great. I mean, I seriously can't break down how difficult it is to pull one out and say, I want this one, I'm going to get it. Like, I'm serious. We made really good money for people trying
That's the whole
20
point.
times to get
That is the whole
exactly. That is the whole point. The funny thing about Blind Box is the hatred of it,
Yes.
but the pure love of
like
the
hating the
chase.
drug.
Yeah.
Yeah.
But that feeling when you get the one you want, Disney Magic. So it took me a little while to transition
Yeah.
because the first couple of times, which way you want to exit, bud?
I think
You know what? We didn't get to ride the Haunted Mansion.
right.
We should go to the art show.
Going on one of the rides. I decided that I'm rather annoyed there.
What do you think?
It's pretty good. It's amazing
Yeah.
stuff. It's nice that they included so much stuff that didn't actually make it into the final attraction. Does Galaxy's Edge change your feeling of the whole scope? Do things feel smaller? Or are you brought right back into this?
For me, it took me a little moment for it not to feel so tiny and small.
Yes. To come back.
But I tell you what it does make it feel. It makes it feel more cute, if that makes
charming.
sense.
The charm.
The charm, yeah, that's your term.
Bringing back.
It feels more charming. It feels a little bit more like a model of a town.
Yes.
And I don't know why the Galaxy's Edge had that effect on it, but it
It's a
did.
little bit like going from a widescreen, huge TV right back to a square one, you know, like seeing the old Walt Disney TV special come up. I was just noticing that actually this one more than any other. Smaller and tight.
Yeah, because I think when you get into the Galaxy's Edge, it's a different layout. It's a layout that's more like California Adventure.
Wide
But
open spaces.
yeah, I mean, the world and people have changed a lot since 1945. I've changed a lot since 1955. 1955, I was an 18-year-old and thought he knew everything. This is the worst ride right here. I don't want to do it, I don't want to do it, I don't want to do it, I don't want to do it. I did it. And I know I'll be back. I'll be back Friday. But I hate leaving Friday. Especially when the sunlight's out. Because the lights. Alright, it's dinner time. And the only thing better than dinner time is podcast time.